Thank you for choosing the iSpring Whole House Central Water Softener. This video will show you how to properly install and operate the water softener system. Before we begin, please carefully read the user manual and ensure your water pressure is 20 psi or above. The system's maximum pressure limit is 65 psi. If daytime pressure is 65 psi, nighttime pressure may exceed the maximum limit. If necessary, use a pressure reduction valve to regulate the inlet water pressure to 65 psi. The installation location should be well ventilated and protected against wind, rain, and direct sunlight. Water temperature ranges from 34 degrees Fahrenheit to 102 degrees Fahrenheit. The system is intended for cold water use only. Do not run hot water through the system. The system requires a 120-volt power outlet. Never touch the power cord connector when your hands are wet, as this may cause electric shock. Connect the softener to the main water supply before the water heater. It is recommended to have a pre-filter installed before the softener. If you have an electric water heater, please turn off the power during installation to avoid damage. The softener comes with a 1-inch NPT water inlet and outlet. The softener requires a sewage pipe for draining wastewater from the backwash and regeneration. The sewage pipe's size should be at least ½ inch in diameter and not exceed 20 feet in length. Otherwise, a 3/4 inch sewage pipe is required. The drain hose must be secured and ensure the sewage pipe always remains open to avoid flooding. The overflow pipe and drain hose must be connected to the sewage pipe separately and must not be combined. Unauthorized modification and disassembly are strictly prohibited and will void the warranty. This product is designed for residential use only. Contact iSpring customer service to inquire about using the product in non-residential settings. Different settings require different connecting setups. In this video, we will demonstrate the installation with push-fit connectors. Convert fittings are needed if you have a 3/4 inch water line. Contact us if you have any questions. Please ensure all parts were included in the package and have all the required connectors and tools ready. Preparation. Step 1. Position the softener on the installation site and ensure it is placed upright on a flat surface. Step 2. Unscrew the 2 screws on the back of the system cover. Lift the cover and unplug the controller cable to remove the entire cover. Step 3. Remove the protective bubble wrap inside the brine tank. Add softener pallets to the tank until 2/3 full. Step 4. Install O-ring to male connectors. Apply silicone grease to the O-ring evenly. Step 5. Pull out the locking clamps and install male connectors to the water inlet and outlet ports. Insert the locking clamps to secure the connectors. Step 6. Connect the 1-inch female NPT quick connector to the water inlet and outlet system. Apply plumber's tape to prevent leaks. Please note that convert fittings are needed if you have a 3/4 inch water line. Installation. Step 1. Shut off the main water supply and turn on a faucet on the water supply line to drain the remaining water and air from the pipe. Step 2. Measure and cut the main water inlet pipe. Prepare a bucket to catch water from the pipe. Step 3. Connect the water softener to the water line. Please pay attention to the water inlet and outlet direction. Step 4. Cut the included hose into 2 pieces to use for drain and overflow. A longer hose may be needed if the sewage pipe is further apart. Insert the drain hose into the drain connector and secure it with a stainless steel clamp. Insert the drain hose into the connector and secure it with a stainless steel clamp. Step 5. Insert or connect the drain hose and overflow hose to the sewage pipe. Ensure the hoses are secured to the pipe to prevent leaks. Step 6. Attach the controller cable to the system and reinstall the cover. Step 7. Plug in the power adapter and connect the other end to a power supply. Ensure the system is on. System regeneration. Before turning on the main water supply, please ensure the system bypass valves are in the bypass position. Step 1. Slowly turn on the main water supply and let the water run from the faucet for a few minutes until the pipes are free of any foreign material that may have entered the pipes during installation. Step 2. Press and hold the Settings button for 3 seconds to unlock the controller interface. Please note that the interface will lock automatically after 3 minutes of standby. Step 3. Press and hold the Regen button for 3 seconds to enter manual regeneration mode. Press the Regen button again to select Immediate Regeneration. The system will start a default regeneration process, which combines 90 minutes of brine, 4 minutes of backwash, 5 minutes of rinse, and about 4 minutes of refill. Step 4. Slowly turn the system water inlet valve a quarter open to allow water into the system. Opening the valve rapidly could cause equipment damage and resin loss. Step 5. When backwash text stops flashing and starts to count down on the screen, it indicates the system regeneration process enters the backwash state. Unplug the power supply to allow the system stays in the backwash state. Step 6. After the air in the resin tank is fully discharged, or when the air exhausting sound stops, fully open the water inlet valve to flush the resin tank until the water is clear. This flushing process should not be less than 10 minutes. Step 7. After the resin flushing process is completed, plug the power supply back in, and the controller will continue to run the remaining regeneration steps and return to the regular mode when finished. Step 8. Let the system stand by for 24 hours to produce enough concentrated brine in the tank. Set the water inlet valve to bypass position while the system is on standby. 24 hours later, reopen the water inlet valve. Start another complete regenerate process to ensure the resin meets the requirements for regular use. Please do not unplug power, shut off the water, or press any button on the controller during the regeneration process. The controller will automatically return to the regular mode when finished. Step 9. Open the water outlet valve to the service position and turn on a faucet. Reinstall the cover screws and let the water run for 5 minutes and ensure the water is clear before use. Congratulations! Your iSpring Whole House Central Water Softener is now set up and ready for use. Please refer to the user manual for detailed programming and adjusting the controller parameter. Contact us directly if you have questions. Thank you for watching.